You've done everything right. You made the plan, you checked the boxes, and you stayed up late working for it. But then the door slammed shut. The relationship ended. The job went to someone else. In that moment, it feels like a failure. But what if I told you that the disaster you're walking through right now is actually a divine detour? Today, we're looking at the radical difference between human logic and divine strategy. By the end of this video, you'll understand why your plan B is often God's plan A and how to trust a map you can't fully see yet. Why do we get so stressed when things go wrong? It's because we operate on a linear timeline. We see a straight line from point A to point B, but the Bible tells us in Isaiah 55, 8-9, "For my thoughts are not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. As the heavens are higher than the earth, so are my ways higher than your ways." The high ground perspective. Imagine you're in a parade. You can only see the float right in front of you, but God is in a helicopter above the city. He sees the traffic jam 10 blocks away, the construction on the next street, and the beautiful park at the end of the route. When God says no, he isn't always saying never. Often he is saying, I see a wreck up ahead that you don't know about yet. If anyone had a right to complain about their life plan, it was Joseph. He had a dream from God that he would be a leader. Then his brothers sold him into slavery. He ended up in prison for a crime he didn't commit. Educational insight. If Joseph had followed his human plan, he probably would have just wanted to be a successful shepherd in Canaan. But God's plan was to make him the prime minister of Egypt to save the entire known world from famine. In Genesis 50:20, Joseph looks back and says, "You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives." Key takeaway, God doesn't just fix our messes, he uses the mess as the mechanism for the miracle. Your current pit might just be the basement of your future palace. There's a famous verse in Proverbs 16:9. In their hearts, humans plan their course, but the Lord establishes their steps. Notice the word establishes. In the original Hebrew, this implies making something firm or stable. When we plan, we focus on the destination. When God plans, he focuses on the person. Our plan is about results. God's plan is about refinement. He is more interested in who you are becoming during the wait than how fast you get to the finish line. If he gave you the blessing before you had the character to handle it, that blessing would destroy you. He is establishing your feet so you don't slip when you reach the top. So what do you do when your plan is falling apart? Acknowledge the pain. It's okay to be frustrated. Even Jesus asked if there was another way in the Garden of Gethsemane. Trade your map for his presence. Stop asking, why is this happening? And start asking, who are you becoming to me in this? Trust the author. Jeremiah 29:11 reminds us that his plans are for peace and the future. Your story isn't over just because a chapter ended. The author simply has a plot twist coming that is better than anything you could have written. If you're in a season of rerouting right now, drop a trusting the process in the comments. Let's encourage each other. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into how faith meets real life.